Today, we're going to look at a real-world Magento 2 performance issue that I see all the time when working with custom modules. Imagine this situation. You need to save a list of reviews that come in from an external service. The naive way to do this is simple. Loop through each review, load the module by, let's say, feedback ID, update the data, and call save method. Here is the classic Magento 2 anti-pattern, an n multiplied by load plus save loop. It works fine with a few reviews, but there is a hidden problem. For 500 reviews, that's already 1000 queries, and it gets worse as your dataset grows. This is what I call the n multiplied by load and save loop anti-pattern. It looks clean in the code, but it scales terribly in production. Complexity grows linearly with items on round trips. We want O1 round trips, a single statement that inserts new rows and updates existing ones. We will batch all rows and let MySQL do an insert or update in one go using Magento database adapter. And here is the trick. Instead of running 1000 plus queries, we can collapse the entire operation into just one SQL statement by using Magento's database adapter and the insert on duplicate method. Under the hood, this leverages MySQL native insert on duplicate key update feature, also known as an upsert. That means if the row with a given feedback ID doesn't exist, it will be inserted. If it does exist, only the fields we specify will be updated. So we are turning potentially thousands of queries into just one. Huge performance gain, cleaner code, and far more scalable. Of course, you should make sure that your feedback ID or the entity identifier is unique. That's how MySQL knows what duplicate means. And what is your experience working with Magento 2 and optimizing performance? Please leave your thoughts and comments below this video. I would be happy to read them. And if you have any suggestions on what areas of Magento performance optimizations I should cover in the upcoming episodes, please let me know. I will be more than happy to prepare such videos. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss the upcoming episodes. And if you would like to learn more about Magento 2 development, I have a website with online courses. It's called magemastery.net, where you can browse the online courses and learn how to develop and build fast and scalable Magento 2 websites. The link to the Magemastery online courses below in the description.